Hi guys, it's Daniel here, a barrister from Law Helps. I'm outside of the court in London. I just want to give you two practical tips when you fill in the claim form. One would be that you need to give sufficient information about the nature of your claim, the facts that we're relying on, the background of the claim, how much you are claiming, whether you're claiming interest, and why you're claiming the amount that you claimed. So there need to be sufficient information. And if you're doing it online, if there is your information explanation on more than 400 characters, so that what you need to do, you need to use a separate page and write a particulars of claim. And in your particulars of claim, in all paragraphs, you need to again explain about the nature of your claim, the factual background, and how much you're claiming, and its interest, and etc. So there must be sufficient information either on the claim form or in your particulars of the claim, right? Otherwise, the defendant would be able to apply to strike out your claim if there are not sufficient information to enable them to file a defense off the back of your claim, right? So this is very important. The tip number 2 that I want to give you is about the defendant's address. You need to make sure that you have the defendant's correct address. If you don't have the correct address and then save the claim form on a wrong address, and later you get a default judgment against the defendant without the defendant's knowledge, the defendant would be able to bring a counterclaim against you if your default judgment would cause them to have a financial loss. For example, this will have effect on their credit report, then they will affect their mortgage interest rate, they won't be able to get a mortgage, or etc., etc. So then they would be able to bring a counterclaim against you. If you're not sure about the defendant's correct address, you can use the process server. There are lots of process servers. You can ask them to help you to get a defendant's correct address, right? I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching. I'll put some more information on the caption. And if you have any question, you can put in a comment and I'll try to respond ASAP. Have a lovely day, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye.